welcome. We are here at... We don't know.
Golden
Hills, Burayda. Oh, ikot ka. Ipakita mo yung kaganda ng Golden Hills.
Sarado na po eh.
Yay!
Oh, hello.
Parang mas maganda. Maghirap siya.
Hi! Hello! Kuya, you say hello.
Hello, brother!
We're having a free ride for tonight's end of vlog.
We're here to our... Di pa tapos yung vlog natin eh.
We have our own golf cart, guys. We're social.
Again, Jeanette.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
We're
Vlog
very
vlog.
social today.
We're very social today. We are riding our golf cart, going outside to our car. Mas maganda. Ito na lang kaya iuwi natin. Thank you, brother, for
Brother,
those
thank you so
wonderful
much.
experience for us. We will come back again, and we will bring more friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shukran. Shukran.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother.
For the ride, brother.